In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a page on Looker Studio. Whether you're organizing a new report or just refreshing your current setup, knowing how to rename pages is a handy skill that can save you time and keep everything tidy. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how to do this. First things first, you'll need to head over to Looker Studio. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to the home page. Once there, make sure you're signed in so all your reports are accessible. Looker Studio is a part of Google's suite of business intelligence tools, and its interface makes it relatively easy to manage various pages in your reports. When you're on Looker Studio, you'll want to locate the specific report that contains the page you wish to rename. To do this, simply search for the report in the reporting section. The reports are usually listed based on their most recent activity, so if you've worked on it recently, it should appear towards the top. Click on the report to open it. With the report open, the next step is to enter the edit mode. Look towards the top of the interface where you usually find options like Add Chart and Share. Here, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Clicking on this button will allow you to make changes to the report, including renaming pages. This mode provides the flexibility needed to modify your report layouts and styles easily. Now that you're in edit mode, navigate to the specific page you want to rename. You'll typically see the pages of your report listed on a sidebar or a menu bar within the interface. This helps in easily switching between different pages. Once you've selected the page that needs renaming, keep an eye out for a menu or an option where it says More Options, usually represented by a three-dot icon. Click on this icon and in the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Rename option. Selecting this will open up a text box where you can type the new name for your page. It's a straightforward yet crucial step. Make sure that your new page title is descriptive enough so it's easy to identify later on. Once you've typed in the name you want, confirm the change by hitting enter or clicking outside the text box. This action will save the new page name automatically. And there you have it. Renaming a page in Looker Studio is as simple as that. Each of these steps is designed to make your navigation through Looker Studio intuitive and manageable, allowing you to maintain well-organized reports with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy editing!